Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and right now I'm here with another video showing you how to make money online fast. You guys, this right here is a program I've been a part of. I haven't even put in no crazy work yet, man, and I've just been getting these uh type of payments, man, off of just putting out these small videos that I do. So just to show you guys that this company does work, it does pay out. So far, $248 I can take out now, $566 that's coming, and then I've already made the $384 that was paid to my PayPal account. So, uh, this system does work. So let me tell you exactly what it is and how you guys can make money. So Joomla is a CPA program, cost per action. As I said before, that means you get paid from someone doing or completing a action. Okay. So let's say someone comes here, they put in their name and email, and they go confirm their email and their Gmail account. I'll get paid $4 any and every time somebody in the US or an English speaking country does that. Okay? Sounds crazy, right? It is crazy. And it works. All right, so let me show you guys what I mean. Okay, so anyone that's in the United States, or as you can see, these payments are yesterday too. As you can see, but anyone that's in the United States or English speaking country, I'll make $4 per lead. Okay, and this is not anyone joining anything at the moment. This is just people being curious, putting in their name and email, wanting to see more information, and I'll get paid $4 just for people doing that. Okay, so if they're in a country that's not an English speaking country, you'll get paid $2 once they come in. Okay, now the whole goal here is to get people to upgrade to become an elite member so that they can do this, because in order to do this, you have to become an elite member. And I'm not going to lie, you guys, it's going to cost you around $70. Now, if that scares you, click off this video and get out of here, okay? Because this is not for you. If you're just looking for free, you probably want to click off of this. But as you guys can see, I've made way past my investment 10 times, plus I've already been paid out of $300. So that's about $1,000+ already made. Spending $70 didn't hurt, okay? Um, and so you do get, training and things from me, and I'll just teach you guys and show you guys different ways you can market. Now, one of the cool things about this system is anyone you refer that signs up and becomes a VIP member, you get $30 for, okay? And anyone they refer, you get $30 for as well. As you can see, this says tier 2. This means someone I signed someone else up, and they got an extra $30. So if you put in the work, or you find people who put in work, then you'll be getting paid $30 off of them, and then you'll be getting paid your $2 and $4 just off the efforts that you're doing as well. So it's a very, very lucrative system. It's fun. It's been around for a little while now, and it's paying out. So honestly, I haven't even put in that much work, you guys. I dropped a couple videos, and that's it. I'll just show you guys, just to show you that I haven't even put in that much work. Look at this. $4 this day, $4 this day, $4 this day, $4 this day, $2 that day, $18 that. Like, I'm literally not even promoting this thing. Like, I just drop a video on YouTube and that's it. So all this money you're seeing is just a couple of videos, and the money's just coming in on autopilot because the videos are out there and people are just signing up and joining and getting started, and that's it. Like, I haven't did any promotion on Facebook, Instagram, nothing. Like, just drop a video telling people about the product. They sign up, and these are the results of it each month that's coming in. So I mean, like I said, you guys can do this thing. If you work in a 9 to 5 right now, you can spend a good hour to 2 or 3 hours on this, and you can see some good profits, you guys. Like, let me go here to the group here. So these are just a bunch of photos of people that's getting paid. All right, this person got paid around, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's a bit blurry, so let me see if I can zoom in here. About $888 paid that they can take out right now, and then $1,600 they're still waiting. So people who doing this like full time are actually making really, really good money with this. Okay, so let's see if we can go to some others here. All right, someone here, $700. Okay, $400. So as you can see, if you put in the work, you can make some decent money, you guys. Someone, $484 that's pending, so it'll dump over here into their approved. Once it's get approved, like I said, $162. Somebody said my first approved commissions. It's a good feeling when you just see these easy, payments that's coming in here. So I like this system. If you work in the 9 to 5, like I say, and you're somebody who's wanting to quit your 9 to 5, this system can work if you really put that work in. But honestly, what I would say, if anybody who wants to quit their job right now, I would say keep your job, use your job income to fund businesses like this, to run ads and things like that. And then you'll be better off. If you want to know how to do that, I do have trainings below this video that shows you and teaches you how to do that. Okay. So people are getting paid out, you guys, and it's a beautiful thing. Some of the top members are doing crazy numbers like 10,000, 15,000 a month off of this. Um, and so yeah, like it's the potential is there. Okay. Very, very simple system, you guys. So um, if that piqued your interest, you guys, go ahead and give me a like, hit the subscribe button as well, and then below this video you can get started. You should come to a page that looks like this. Okay, go ahead, click down here, click get started. All right, it'll bring you to a page where it wants you to put in your email. Definitely put in a real email, you guys. No fake emails. That way, I'll have your information if I ever need to send you some free training or free updates or anything like that. Do that, okay? Once you get to this page right here, this video is explaining exactly what I just explained, but the only thing that you need to know is come down here and skip to 4 minutes and 30 seconds. It will explain what you will do to get started. You will need to watch this in order to get started, because sometimes this can be a little confusing, guys. So um, once you click create my account, it will send you to this page here. You want to put your real name and real email in. The reason why you need to put a real email in is because the company sends you an email, and you have to confirm it in order for them to send you what you're going to get right here. They're going to send you a link to access this page right here, and then you watch this. You need to watch this in order to go through those steps so you know exactly what you need to do. Okay, so once you get started, you guys, as a bonus, I'm going to give you my YouTube training. I'm going to give you my Facebook training, my Instagram training, my software. I'm going to give you pretty much everything you need to succeed. And I'm going to be on call anytime you guys need to talk to me about anything or just need any kind of help, okay? Once you get to my affiliate ID number is right here, because you will need to enter that on, I believe, the last step. So you can come back to this page and copy and paste my affiliate ID number to make sure that you're on my team, okay? Once you get started, you will be added to this Joomla group, okay? And so you can come in here, any questions or concerns that you may have, you can, talk in here. If you just need to email me or contact me, you can do that as well, you guys. So that's pretty much it, you guys, for this video. But for those of you who do have online marketing businesses and you're struggling, you're not making enough money, I do have training courses below, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, teaching you how to get your credit right. Also, I do offer one-on-one coaching. So if you just want to pick my brain, we do a one-on-one Google Hangout where I walk you through the steps on exactly what you need to do, stuff that nobody's going to tell you about how to make this money online and how to do it effectively. And I do also have a free training below this video as well. So if you guys want to take a peek at that. But other than that, you guys, you can contact me if you have any other questions. But get started, or if you just want to get started in any other business, I do have a few businesses that I promote here. So feel free to check those out and get started. All right. That being said, I am out of here. Peace.